Hi friends, this is Padma Pavani. Uh, if anyone is watching first time my channel, please share, like it and subscribe. Okay, today we are going to discuss the topic recommendations by Ramurthy Review Committee. Under this recommendations, he has given the introduction, what the report he has submitted, major recommendations relating to school education, what Ramurthy has given, recommendation, what does the recommendations finally had. We will discuss all these topics. Okay, let us see. So, the recommendations by Ramurthy Review Committee. It was done in 1990 to 1991. The recommendations mainly on NPE. NPE means National Policy on Education, 1986. He has done the recommendations on that. So it was established under the chairmanship of Acharya Ramurthy on 7th May 1990. He has submitted a report. That report he has named it as Towards an Enlightened and Human Society on 9th January 1991. He has given much importance to the education for all. He doesn't give any discrimination between a man and a woman. Education should be given to all. He has submitted a report on that. The major recommendations of this committee are relating to education only. He has given the recommendations. Those are equity and social justice in education. There should be a common school system must be there. For the development of this school system, there must be equity and justice in that education. Next is, he has recommended the present school should be transformed into vibrant neighborhood schools. That means the school should be neighborhood. It should be in our surroundings itself. There should not be schools for haves and have-nots. It noted with concern the neglect of the schools in rural areas and tribal areas. There should not be no one should neglect the schools under the rural and tribal area. They have to be given much importance. Next, the deficit in infrastructural facilities of the school in these areas was glaring compared to urban schools. When we compare with urban schools, the rural schools should be also given some facilities. There should not be any deficit in that. Urban, rural and general tribal divides need to be bridged. These must be bridged. Okay, next. And also he has recommended that we have to eliminate the regional imbalances and developmental distances. Okay, and he has conducted educational programs for economically disadvantaged groups like SC, STs, women, physically handicapped and backward minorities. And elimination of educational disparities was emphasized. He has given much importance for elimination of these disparities. Okay, it should be viewed as a process of empowering women. He has given much importance for women education. Education to all on the basis of equality of sexes. He has given equal importance for man and women. Okay, localization of education is an urgent imperative and it should not be viewed as one means for the less fortunate. He has given much importance on localization as vocationalization. Vocationalization means there should be some weaving, pottery. Even after education also they can stand on their own legs by learning by doing. Okay, and he has recommended the vocalization as well as the non-vocational components of different mixes as a healthy academic alternative. And the other recommendations he has given for examination reforms, regional languages as the media of education, decentralized planning and management of education, university autonomy, concept of participative education. That means all should be participated in terms of education. Value education must be given, mobilization of resources for education. Okay, and finally these recommendations has freshness, vigor, vitality with deep concern to usher in a human social order. He has given concern to man and woman. Okay, education should be given to all without any discrimination. This is about Ramurthy Review Committee. If you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe. Thank you.